Today we talk about how can you add your photos on your Waplog app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Just click here in this sign, then here it's going to show for you to add your photo from your gallery here or your camera. So then here can you add more photos here in this list. Here if you want to click or you want to add more, and here can you pick a picture with your camera. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.